Hey, it's a layup. It's a 2 points.
Metro. Bigay.
Abelia.
Pangalan tuma ni mga.
Pass to Funay layup. No good. The bomb by
Ito, pag-screen ang go.
Scoring number 16.
Foul.
Stepping on the line.
Ay, ano mga pa.
Hindi, nakapsot talaga
14 seconds shot clock.
Hinintay pa niya.
They score 8 against 7. 1 point lead. Grey color. Pipito. Layup. It's a 2 points. Scoring number 6, Pipito.
Huli kayo ha. Sama sa. Nice. Apat.
Decision red.
Petro.
Pushing ball.
Penalty.
Number 1. Penalty situation. Number 1, third personal foul.
Wala mang kwenta yun. Singongi.
Last through, miss rebound. Ang programa ito, hatid kayo sa kundong. Lilipad ka sa sarap.
Dalawa. Bigay sa buhay. Sa labas.
Drive. Ospar. Number 21. Holding foul.
Dalawa pa, Bas.
Second personal foul. Penalty situation.
May penalty dan. Panay foul at dan.
Last through, miss rebound.
Aja lang panay foul. Sama rin.
The bomb by Punay.
Kuha mo na, Jire.
Abelia. It's a lost ball. Symbol. Pasaril.